Hello, tech lovers. Today we're diving into a topic that's at the cutting edge of technology, the quantum AI revolution. It's a game changer, and here's why. Quantum computing isn't just a fancy term you hear in sci-fi movies. It's real, and it's here. Imagine a computer that can process information millions of times faster than what we're used to. Now combine that with artificial intelligence. We're talking about a powerhouse that can revolutionize everything from medicine to finance. But what exactly is quantum AI? In simple terms, it's the use of quantum computing to enhance the capabilities of artificial intelligence. This means AI can learn and act faster and more efficiently than ever before. Now, let's break down how it works. Quantum computers use quantum bits, or qubits, which, unlike traditional bits that are either a 1 or a 0, can be both at the same time, thanks to a principle called superposition. This allows quantum AI systems to process massive datasets much faster than classical computers. The potential benefits? They're massive. In healthcare, quantum AI could lead to personalized medicine that could predict your health issues before they even occur. In finance, it could process complex economic simulations in moments. But with great power comes great responsibility. The rise of quantum AI also poses significant ethical and security challenges. How do we keep such powerful tools safe? How do we ensure they're not used for harm? Despite these challenges, the race is on. Tech giants and startups alike are pouring billions into quantum AI research. It's not just an investment in technology, but in a future where the limits of what's possible are constantly expanding. So what do you think about this quantum leap? Are we ready for the AI revolution? Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Let's keep this conversation going. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of technology, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more tech insights. Catch you in the next video.